Hello guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. Today we will go through the day 17 problem from July Lead Coding Challenge, Top K Frequent Elements. Please like the video, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss any update. Given a non-empty array of integers, return the k most frequent elements. In the given example, 1 and 2 are the two most frequent elements, so we return them. In the given notes, it is given that k is always valid. We need to come up with a solution that has a complexity better than O of n log n. It is also guaranteed that the answer is unique and we can return the answer in any order. At first, when I saw the problem, I thought of three basic steps. Let us go through them one by one. As we are needed to return the k most occurring elements, we need the number of occurrence of each element. That becomes our step 1. We would iterate over the input array and count the occurrence of each element and store it. Let's see this with an example. For the given input, we will store the occurrences in a map. The key would be the element and the value will be the number of times the element has occurred. Now that we have the occurrence map, we need to sort it on the basis of occurrences so that we can easily return the k most frequent elements. We cannot directly sort a map based on value. Tree map has sorted keys, but there is no data structure in map which will give this functionality. So we need another data structure. We would use priority queue. You can use any data structure that you feel comfortable with. Now, while we insert keys into the priority queue, we need those elements to be in increasing order of their occurrence. So we use a custom comparator in Java to accomplish it. We will iterate over the map and insert keys into the queue. Now as 2 has an occurrence less than 1, then queue automatically put it at the correct place, maintaining the ascending property. Same will happen with all the keys, and at the end we will have a queue of elements sorted on the basis of their occurrences. Now comes the last part. We need to return the last k elements from the queue. Now as priority queue is not index based, we need to remove all the elements other than the last k elements. So we continue to remove the elements from the queue till its size is greater than k. This leaves us with a queue of k most frequent elements. Now we can take these values into an array and return it. The algorithm is a rewind of steps we did earlier. We will initialize a map and store the element as key and occurrence as value. Now we initialize a priority queue with a custom comparator. We store the value into the queue based on the increasing order of occurrence. We remove element from queue till its size is greater than k, and at the end we take the value from the queue into an array and return it. The time complexity is O of n log k because we can make some optimization in step 2 and 3, and that will save some time. The space complexity will also improve to O of n plus k. Here is the actual code snippet from the method. Also check out the link to the Java code in the description below. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the video.